Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the Outlook QR code so you can connect your phone to your Outlook account in just a few minutes. It's a simple process, so let's get straight into it. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Once you're there, click Sign In, enter your email and password, and complete any two-factor authentication if your account requires it. Already signed in? Just skip ahead. From your inbox, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click to the gear icon. That's your settings menu. Depending on your version of Outlook, this will open either a drop-down or a side panel. Inside Settings, find and click on Account. This might be listed under General or Manage Account, depending on your setup. From there, select Mobile Devices. This is where Outlook handles everything related to connecting your account to a phone or tablet. Now click Get the Outlook app, and the page will generate a QR code tied specifically to your account. All that's left is to open your phone's camera, point it at the QR code, and tap the notification that pops up. That'll take you straight to the Outlook app, or the download page if you don't have it yet. Follow the on-screen prompts and you're done. That's all there is to it. Your phone is now connected to Outlook. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. See you in the next one.